I started using this Motorola Edge 14 mobile for more than a week as my primary device. In this full in-depth review, you are going to see the good and bad things I noticed in this mobile. Also, you will know whether this is the best 5G smartphone under 25,000 rupees price range. First thing, inbox contents. The Moto Edge 14 comes in a big box with the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a 68-watt turbocharger, a SIM ejector tool, a back case, a quick start guide and some other things. You get all the things in the box. Coming to the back case quality, it's a plastic and there is no protection on the sides of the screen. I recommend you to buy another case. Don't use this case for a long time. Starting with the display, this is a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with a screen to body ratio of 90.2%. You see the curves on both sides of the display. This is a 20:9 aspect ratio display protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The back and frame are totally made up of plastic. The overall weight of this mobile is 169 grams. I didn't notice any issues while holding this, huge thanks to its form factor. You can easily hold it in one hand and use the mobile. Personally, I'm not too fond of these curved panels. It's really hard to maintain and also the repair cost is too high. But after using this display, I felt it was good. See, most of the time I use gestures in any Android smartphone. I liked that swiping to the back in these curved panels is really good. Coming to the screen quality, as I told earlier, this is a OLED panel that produces 1 billion colors. This screen can go up to a peak brightness of 1300 nits. The outdoor visibility is excellent. I didn't face any brightness issues at all. This one is supported by a 144Hz screen refresh rate. If you want, you can decrease it in display settings. I used this in 144Hz all the time. There is no issue at all. Also, this mobile doesn't come with any pre-applied screen protector. Also, if you are applying any UV screen guard, they gave some stickers in the box to close the speakers and some openings on this mobile, because once that glue gets into these opened areas, it leads to damage of the mobile and void the warranty as well. So make sure to use this while applying any screen guard. I played so many games, watched a lot of movies and even used the cameras in outdoor conditions. For everything, this display is amazing. If you are looking for a mobile only for media consumption, this display is good. The thickness of the mobile is very minimal. It's 7.9 mm. I don't know how they place a huge battery inside it. The under display fingerprint sensor works well and there is no issues like not scanning or error. It works fine. For the price, these display specs are good for what you paid. Also, the sound quality while playing the audio is good. In short, the display is amazing. This Moto Edge 14 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset. This is a 6nm build processor. Initially, I thought this processor could not handle all tasks and the battery efficiency was going to be bad, but I'm 25% wrong. The good thing is the battery efficiency is good in this one. I already posted a dedicated video about the battery drain test. You can check the video link in the description box or else in the iCards. I used this mobile for heavy gaming and camera checking in indoors and outdoors. The performance is good and there is no doubt in that, but as a complimentary, it produces a lot of heat. On the official website, they mentioned this mobile comes with a hypercrystal graphite cooling chamber, but it didn't work well. Some of the mobiles without the cooling chamber are performing better than this for this price range. In everyday usage, there are no lags or frame drops. Everything is up to the mark and the response rate is also good. Even you can play normal to high graphic games as well without much heating issues. But heavy games for a longer period of time, it's not. Let's say if you play for more than 20 or 30 minutes, you notice a lot of heating issues pushing from both the display and backside. Overall, this processor is good for normal usage patterns but not for heavy usage. If you use heavily, you notice heating issues. Check out the gaming review for more details like temperature, battery stats, etc. This Moto Edge 14 comes with two cameras on the back and a single camera on the front. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel. The photos and videos are looking great in good and natural lighting conditions. If you click in dull or nighttime conditions, you notice a lot of noise as well as the quality is not up to the mark. Coming to the videos, you can record at a maximum of 4K 30 FPS by using both cameras. The video quality is fine, and again, it's for good lighting or outdoor daytime conditions. In short, the cameras are good for daytime conditions but not for nighttime. If you want to know more details in depth about the photos, videos, macro shots, camera features and more of this mobile, I already posted a dedicated camera review. Check out the video link in the description box or iCards. This Moto Edge 14 Neo comes with a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. The battery backup is good in this mobile. You get in between 5 to 7 hours or even 8 hours screen on time for a single charge based on your usage pattern. Even the standby time is also good. I got more than 3 days in my normal usage. This mobile is supported for 68 watts turbo charging. The beauty part is you get the charger inside the box. Now we are observing the no charger trend in almost all mid-range category mobiles too. But this one comes with a fast charger in the box. It took around 1 hour and 5 minutes to charge completely from 0% to 100% in switch off condition during my test. If you want to know how much time it takes to charge 0% to 50%, check out the charging test video that I posted already. You get 1 full day of battery power for normal use in just 30 minutes of charging. If you charge 100% and use it in mixed conditions like gaming, using cameras, multimedia, web browsing, etc., you get 1 full day. Even if you want, you can charge this mobile with other chargers as well, but 68 watts is the maximum that it supported. There are no battery draining or battery dropping issues in this mobile, and even the processor is good for handling these things. And by the way, there is no wireless charging support is there for this one. Overall, the battery backup is amazing and the charging speeds are good. This Moto Edge 14 Neo comes with an Android 13 out of the box. This is a pure Android with some toppings of the useful features. According to Motorola, this mobile is supported for 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. Recently, I got the March security patch update on this one. Now, I'm recording this video in the month of May. Still, the April security patch is pending. I observed that there is a lack of 1 month in updates. So for 2 to 3 years, you can use this mobile without any issues. These are some extra features that are available and not available on this mobile. First, let's see the available features. Number 1, this one is supported for IP68 dust and water resistance. In this price range, you won't find this feature in every mobile. Number 2, stereo speakers are available with Dolby Atmos support. The sound quality is really good, but sometimes if you increase the volume by up to 100%, you notice a lot of vibrations in the mobile. Number 3, dual SIM card support is there. Number 4, 14 5G bands are supported. Number 5, NFC option is there. Number 6, a lot of useful extra features are there. I already posted a dedicated video about the useful features in all Motorola mobiles. You know what to do, check the links in the description box. Now let's see what are the features that are not available in this one. Number 1, there is no external micro SD card support is there to expand the storage. Number 2, there is no 3.5 headphone jack support is there. Number 3, there is no 60 fps video recording option for 4K videos from front and back cameras. Finally, this is the verdict of this Motorola Edge 14 Neo. This is a great mobile under 25,000 rupees. It comes with a lot of features for what you are actually paying. Coming to the main drawbacks, the photo and video quality in low light or nighttime conditions is not good. The next thing is you notice a lot of heating issues if you play heavy graphic integrated games just for more than 20 minutes. The major good things about this mobile are the form factor as well as the display. It's a beautiful screen with good peak brightness values. The colors and the contrast are absolutely great. For multimedia usage, this is a great mobile. And also for this price, you get a fast charger in the box itself. So this mobile is good for those who are looking for an all-rounder pure Android mobile with no ads and no bloatware, along with decent cameras, performance and good battery as well as the display. If you are planning to buy this only for gaming, I don't recommend this mobile. Don't even think about this mobile for heavy graphic games if you are irritated with heating issues. These are some other mobile review videos. If you are planning to buy any of these or want to know more information, click on them. If in case you want more related videos of this Motorola Edge 40 Neo, check out the description box.